So over here you can see that I am in the Power Pages homepage, and here one of the ways that you can start making a Power Page is by using a blank page so that you can create everything from scratch. So to do that, over here you can see that start from blank is an option. You can simply go ahead and click right here. And then what happens is that it'll open up the Power Page settings. So here what you can do is you can go ahead and give your site a name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say sample right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, say sample tutor right here, just like this. And this is what you have. You can go ahead and choose the language as well. And as long as the domain is available, you see the tick mark over here as well. Just go ahead and press done, and what happens is that it goes ahead and creates a new site for you. It says it does take some time, so it's taking we are taking you to the home page to look around, so you can see that it's preparing the Power Page for you to start editing and creating your web page right here. So simply wait for a while, and then this is what you have after it loads. So here you can see that there's the page right here. You get the styling, data, setup, and security right here. So you can even go ahead and enable Site Copilot so that you can work around with AI, which is quite helpful. So I'm just going to go ahead and enable that out right here. You can go ahead and then utilize the Create Agent around over here as well, so that you can go ahead and utilize the AI as well. So let me just go around over here onto pages, and you can see that now you can go ahead and insert many things such as text, button, images, videos, card gallery as you want. And then you got this no code option right here that you can go ahead and easily edit. And as we move along the course, we're going to see how we can actually go ahead and utilize these different options to create a site as we need. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.